bapet ya tnad social welfare uba polling do hakish pautere guyayong habakran nong to khubor halor ka jeki jongka AIM hinin kasngi persha yo Aadhar ulong baki don katto katni kitanan jongka sorkar pedeng ki babatha baki paidbah ki dei banle yo Aadhar ban yo ki jingmentoy nakatana jongki ulo angru ba ka jingpentrai kam ya ka Aadhar kalong nakabenta ki jingmentoy baki paidbah baki yo badada pendan kam komno nginla banyo jingken yaki bayo jingmentoy uba pol ulo angru baka jela Meghalaya kadei ka jela ka badang duna bha kiba penrung yalade hak Aadhar henry ki wei ki jela hakaleng kari kiladap naduh kini kisnam baladam uba pol ulabu jingkiliru hakanu kanongrem ban persha ya ka jingpenrung Aadhar ulo ong ba shym ladan manuru ban pynbor ban le yo Aadhar kito ki bam shym tere ban le yo Aadhar kimla ban don ka hok ban aplai ya kino ki skim jong ka sorkar baro ka shong haki paidbah.
There are strict guidelines by various ministries in the government of India that Aadhar registration has to be compulsory, because it is only then that various government interventions and programs can be properly assessed in terms of the success rate, in terms of performance of each of those interventions. Now, without having a database, how would we know how many are the beneficiaries? Two, let us also realize that this is purely a central subject, and it would help us to create that database with the details of each of the card holders. Also, Meghalaya is one of the few states that have not completed the process of Aadhar registration. The rest of India has done it years ago. And what is the valid ground to oppose? Nobody is forced to go for Aadhar registration, but then that also means that whoever doesn't go for the registration is not entitled to a few schemes of the government. So the choice is in the applicants. But we have been saying that there are no grounds, no logical and sensible ground for you to oppose. It's like you opposed having a PAN card, you oppose having a driving license. You can't oppose everything under the sun. There has to be valid grounds.